Alright guys, I'm going to run this through you here. Winner takes all 7. I'm going to go live. Let it click over here, 838. Alright, 838, we're going to type live. We are live. 838. 838, grab the list. 10 spots. Drop it in. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 3 is not high enough. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 11's good. Here we go. 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times dice is an 11. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 11. Congrats, Steve. Spot number 5. You are the winner. We are done. 838. Type done. We are done. 838. 839 just clicked over. Verification. Timestamp.